Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Top tips to help you care for curly hair. The fact that people usually want what they do not have is a habit for each estate. That's why women usually get rid of curly hair and find other styles. Therefore, if you have natural curly hair, check out these tips that will help you to greatly appreciate your hair and style. 1. Dry wet hair wrapped in a tank top. There are so many ways to dry your hair, including the most common, with a hair dryer. However, we would like to present one more form, which is even simpler. After applying the combing cream and styling the hair so that the curls can form, tie the t-shirt around the head. You will probably have to try it several times to do this. Wait until your hair is dry, wash and get a beautiful result. 2. Do not comb dry hair. A comb of curly hair, when it is dry, can be a big mistake. The result of this, as a rule, is formless, fragile, and a head full of curly curls. Apply some product to fight the wind while the hair is still wet and comb it normally. When it dries, draw it using only your hands, and not with a brush or comb, so as not to damage the curls. 3. Moisturizing protein mask. There are several ways to moisturize hair, and most of them are associated with the use of creams. However, there are several cheaper ways. A mask with natural ingredients is an excellent choice for those who would like to save money. You will only need 2 ingredients, eggs and honey. They help to feed your damaged hair and are ideal for curly and damaged hair. Apply the mixture on all hair and leave for 30 minutes. Then apply shampoo and conditioner, and you can enjoy beautiful moisturized hair. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.